Here's his cousin Billy here, you know, and then doing a little bit more remodeling, except for today I'm modifying. This is a modified batt latch for moving calves regularly, you know, and I've made this thing up right here. It's got a little thing to tell you how much pressure's in there, and then all that's going on, you know. So I'm gonna pump her up here, see how much pressure I can get in that thing. I don't, the little thing says that only 100 pounds, you know, and everything, so I'm gonna pump her up there. Oh, I can already see. I got her all the way up to 25 already. Ooh, you know, it's kind of hard to push. This is made for a foot, you know, and everything. Ooh, woo! All right, I'm all the way up to 40, so we're gonna try that thing out here. Nope, it went back down to 0. All right, well, let me try something a little different here and everything. Okay. So what my hope is just I'm gonna let this thing loose and that thing will just shoot right out of there, you know, and everything. So let me get my compressor set up. Ooh, got it. It leaks a little. I won't have to. It'll fill up. There's 70 pounds. I didn't take any time at all. That's way better than a big hand pump. All right, kids, here we go. We're gonna set her on manual. We're gonna knock her down to a minute. See if this baby works. All right, here we go. Nope, I don't know what I'm doing here. Try again. This is going to take just a minute, so hold your horses. Woo! Shoot, man, that's cool. Woo, I tell you, I almost flew out too just because that's so cool. Wow. Woo-wee. I think that's going to work. That'll scare the cows plumb to death. They'll shoot to the other side of the farm. Well, thank you. That's some remodeling with Cousin Billy there. This thing is going to work. I don't think you need 70 pounds of pressure, though. Woo-wee! All right, talk to you later. A couple of things about my video today there. I forgot my safety goggles, you know, and everybody's got to wear safety goggles. And I was supposed to give a shout out to Armin and Brody Barr. Boys, it sure is good to have you watch my videos. Yeehaw. Woo-wee. See you later, boys.